The Lotus may be down, but it's not out. Although the BJP is disappointed over its performance in 2009 general elections, it still has some causes for cheer. The party's performance in Karnataka is one. So much so that the state is sending more MPs to parliament than either of its other strongholds, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. The growth of the BJP in Karnataka was not sudden. It took the party 25 years to increase its vote share from a little over 4% to 43%. The party was helped in this by Ramakrishna Hegde.
And that time, after Hegde was out of office and he was old enough. So his followers really wanted some party to be representative. The Congress has always humiliated Hegde. So the workers were not ready there. We had our infrastructure and pro-Kisan image and pro-Kisan and pro-poor struggles. So naturally they inclined to us.
The BJP's victory in the assembly elections and strong performance in the state's Lok Sabha polls is being viewed with concern by the Congress and the Janata Dal Secular, who may be beginning to come together to fight the Saffron Party. The loss of Karnataka is probably the thorn in the Congress side, even as it celebrates its triumphs in the recent elections. The state was considered a Congress bastion, but the surprising growth of BJP, helped by the Lingayats moving away from the Congress into the BJP fold, has left the party with its work cut out in the state. The Lingayats constitute 15% of the state's population, and they don't seem to have forgiven the Congress after Rajiv Gandhi abruptly sacked Virendra Patil, a senior party leader from the community, as chief minister in 1989. KPCC President R.V. Deshpande said, and I quote, "Because of the split in secular votes and some of our own organizational weaknesses, BJP may have benefited. A committee is being set up to look at what measures can be taken to strengthen the party in the state." The Congress still dismisses the argument that Karnataka has become a BJP stronghold. But for the BJP, the focus is now on enhancing its base in the Vokaliga community that forms the bulk of Old Mysore region, while delivering on its promises. For Minty New Delhi, Rahul Sharma.